The operability problem, when technology outpaces the team. A church can successfully install a sophisticated live stream workflow, advanced networking, immersive audio, integrated lighting, and powerful content tools. The harder question often comes 6 months later. Can the team actually sustain all of it? This is technological debt, capability that outpaces a team's ability to operate it consistently. This is Church Production Magazine's Then versus Now research series. In this video, we're looking at what the data tells us about operability, the gap between what production systems can theoretically do and what volunteer teams can realistically operate week after week at a consistent standard. Several data points converge on the same signal. Here's what they look like together. Training and skill development is up 20 points to 57%, now the single top operational challenge. System complexity, keeping up with technology changes and higher expectations from leadership have all seen significant increases. Training surpassed volunteer recruitment as the top challenge. That's a significant shift. For years, the question was whether churches could find enough volunteers. Now the question increasingly is, can those volunteers actually operate what the church has built? The operability concern is showing up in how churches evaluate technology, not just how they describe their challenges. Ease of use for volunteers jumped 15 points, while reliability surged 23 points. Integration with existing systems nearly doubled, and overall performance became a critical driver. Churches aren't just asking what a system can do, they're asking whether it works inside the environment they've already built, and whether normal volunteers can operate it confidently. Simplifying systems for volunteers is now cited as an upgrade driver by 37% of churches, up 17 points from 2 years ago. That's a meaningful market signal for anyone designing, selling, or installing church production systems. The healthiest production ministries are rarely built around technology alone. They're built around systems that fit the culture and staffing realities. For some churches, that means continuing to invest in capability. For others, the next smart move is simplification. Neither is wrong. What matters is whether the decision is made honestly, with full knowledge of what the team can actually sustain. Next, in this series, we look at content creation and what it means for production teams on the ground. Subscribe to get the full report and stay up to date. Visit churchproduction.com.